Welcome to the kitchen table. Isn't this an exciting new venue? I've bought myself a set of basically the cheapest ball peen hammers that I could find on eBay because I wanted a nice one and they were really expensive. But there's a few interesting things of note here. Firstly, they're shot-filled deadblow hammers. Secondly, they're 16, 32 and 48 ounces. Now, this is what they look like. They look like hammers. And this is some scales. And that's where I just ate my dinner. I'm going to put this onto grams because I don't understand ounces. Now, this is the 16 ounce one, which is supposed to weigh 454 grams, which is a pound. Not quite right there. Then this is the 32 ounce, which is supposed to weigh 900 grams. And then finally, at about 1.4 kilos, we have the 48 ounce. So that's vaguely about right. But that one should weigh the same as these two. Oh, that's not very clever, is it? I mean, yeah, something doesn't add up here. The other notable thing is, normally with a ball peen hammer, when you rattle them, they rattle, but there's no feeling of movement in here at all. So I'm going to go out to the shed and hit some stuff and see what happens. We're now in the shed, starting off with the baby deadblow. You can hear that it rattles. And if I hit stuff with it, it doesn't bounce. If I then go up to the bigger deadblow, this is a soft-faced one, it rattles. It basically doesn't really bounce very much. Regular lump hammer. Bounces quite a lot. We'll start with the smallest Powerhand. That's very bouncy. The next size up, Powerhand. And finally the biggest. I have to say, those are the least dead blow hammers I've ever experienced. This one's got a load of shmoo all over it as well. Hardened shmoo. Yeah, not very impressed with that. I'm going to see if I can get anything back from the eBay seller, because that's entirely not what I wanted out of a hammer.